Today I'll be showing you an easy way on how to make your crunchy tasty Chinchin flakes. I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I've sifted this flour earlier. Make sure you sift your flour to get rid of every dirt in your flour. Add half spoon of nutmeg, 3 to 4 spoon of milk, 3 to 4 spoon of sugar. It depends on how sweet you want your chinchin to be. Mix this together and add in 4 tablespoons of butter or margarine. Gently mix in your margarine and the dried ingredients. Use your two hands to crumble this together till the margarine is well coated in the dried ingredients. The next thing to do is to add 6 tablespoons of water, a quarter tablespoon of vanilla essence. Gently mix and combine this together. Do not over knead your mixture. After mixing that, add 4 tablespoons of water. Make sure you add your water in gradually so that your mixture does not come out sticky. Mix this gently and add in 2 more tablespoons of water. The total tablespoon of water used for 3 cups of flour was 12 tablespoons of water. So now mix this till everything is well mixed. This is how your dough is supposed to come out, not sticky and not too hard. Cover this and set this aside for 5 minutes. Allow this to rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, ready to work on our dough. Divide the dough into smaller chunks so that it is easy to work on. The next thing to do is to pick a dough, powder it with some flour and use your rolling pin to spread this across the table. For this step, you have to take your time because you need to flatten out your dough as much as possible. So for easy work, you powder it with your flour and use your rolling pin to flatten it across the table. Make sure you flatten it as much as possible. Flatten it to the extent you can even feel your finger coming out of the dough when you put your finger behind the dough, as you can see. Now use your pizza cutter to slice this into your desired shape. For Chinchin flakes, this is how flat it should look, so take your time to flatten out your dough. Set a pan of oil on fire, drop in 1 dough of Chinchin into it. When it floats up, it means the temperature of the oil is right for frying. Now transfer in the dough into the oil and fry this for 6 minutes. While frying, make sure you stir at interval and make sure your stove is set on medium heat. After 6 minutes, this is how it looks. If you want your chinchin to be more golden brown, you can fry this for 8 minutes. Repeat the same process for the rest of the dough. And this is the end result of the chinchin flakes. It came out so good, so crunchy and so tasty. Even toddlers can chew this chinchin. The elderlies can chew this chinchin because it came out soft and crunchy. For packaging, you can store this in an airtight container. This can last up to a month plus on the shelf. I hope you try this recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.